Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I am destashing a beautiful canvas for you. I'm destashing a Christmas canvas by Michaels, specifically Make Market. I have two of these. I don't know why I have two of these, but because I have two of these, one of you can have this kit too. This kit will be $25 shipped. Yep, $25 shipped. It is a Make Market. It is from last year's line. It is a 16 by 20 and it's round. What is it? I'm glad you asked. It is the truck, the red Beetle with a Christmas tree on it. And there's houses in the background. So it's the car, driving by. It's called Red Car. Now, I drive a red car, but I do not drive a Volkswagen. I drive a Toyota Scion. So, Scion XB is specifically what I drive. So I'm going to show you all the canvases. All the drills, all the specifics, and I'm going to include some special drills. You just let me know which special drills you would like, and I will see if I have enough. So this is a really nice canvas. If you like color blocking, this is for you. This canvas has got a lot of color blocking, and it's got 35 colors. So here's the Christmas tree, and these are a bunch of pine trees in the background and houses, and then we got the car. So if you've been looking for a canvas with a car, this is for you. If you're looking for a Christmas canvas that's not very expensive, this is for you. 35 colors. Let's see if this has special drills. I'm not seeing any. So there's a lot of whites. A lot of white, soft blues, for the snow. Red, more blues. Okay, let's see. There's the colors. I'm trying to keep it so that I can get it back in the container, in the bag. Okay, can you see that? Those are your colors. Very pretty color palette. Yep. And the color of the car, we'll say +C, so 30, and number 3. Okay, so right here, that's going to be part of the car. Where is number 3? Okay. There's the number 3. There's only one bag of 3. But that's the color of the car, primarily. But there's a couple of different shades of red in here that I'm sure are all part of the car or the houses in the background. So if you're looking for a Christmas, look guys, I got it in here. So if you're looking for a Christmas kit, $25 shipped. Here's your toolkit. You get the gray tray, pencil. I guess this year they changed to everything matching, the red. But this isn't, I mean, it matches. So you get your nice baggies, you get your tray, and you get your wax, and you get your pen with the squishy on it. And your instructions. Everything will come in your kit. So let me know in the comments if you would like this. And we will do it traditional style of spread the love. You let me know in the comments, say I want this one, and then I'll spin a wheel next Monday, and we will talk about how you're going to pay me via email. And that was just some wax that it picked up from the table. So I will make a copy of the color grid for you so that you have a paper copy. I'll have that in there for you. And if you want some white ABs included, we will talk about that in the email. Let me know in the email if you would like white ABs or maybe black ABs for the tire. You let me know. And I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I hope this is something you can see yourself completing for Christmas this year. And remember to be kind to everyone you meet.